Hello, I'm back with the third principal tenses, and that is the future tense. After learning present and the past tense, you have to know what is a future tense. So, in this video, you will be getting the detailed view of the future tense.
Starting with the slides, and here in this video you'll get to know about what is future tense, what is future indefinite tense, what is future continuous tense, and the future perfect tense. You have to know the different conjugations of verbs. So without skipping any of the slides, watch the video till the end. Starting with the first slide, and here we get the future tense. The future tense describes an action in the future time, like I shall go, he will write, they will come, and etc. In the next slide, we get the different types of future tense: the future indefinite tense, future continuous tense, and the future perfect tense. The future indefinite tense denotes an action that will happen in future, like he will go home, I shall do it, and etc. In the next one, we get the future continuous tense. The future continuous tense represents an action as going on at the future time, like I shall be sleeping at that time. And the last one is the future perfect tense. The future perfect tense denotes an action that will be completed at some point of time in the future, like he will have done this before you come, etc. Now you would be wondering why I have not taught you the future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous tense is no longer in practical use, hence it is not treated here. In the next slide, we get the conjugation of few verbs. I have mentioned 50 of them, but all these common words will help you to know the conjugation part well, and all you should do is to listen it for 3 to 4 times, and I can assure you that you don't need to mug it up. So what you can do, you should listen it for 3 to 4 times and you'll be the champion on this topic. Starting with the conjugation. To conjugate a verb is to show its chief parts. In a wider sense, it means all the forms to denote mood, tense, voice, number, and person. But the chief parts of a verb are the present, the past, and the past participle. All other forms can be easily formed from them. So, you can see I have mentioned the present, the past, and the past participle of some few verbs. In the left column, you are getting the present form. In the middle column, you are getting the past form, and at the end, you are getting the past participle form. The first word is arise. The word arise is in present form, and when we are writing the word arise in past form, we would change it into arose, and in the past participle form, the same word would be arisen. Ask, asked, asked, awake, awoke, awaked, bear, bear. Here we have two bear. First one is to carry and the second one is to give birth. Bear, bore, born. Bear, bore, born. Bit, bit, bitten. Become, became, become. Break, broke, broken. Bring, brought, brought. Build, built, built. In the next slide, we get from the letter C, means similarly in the left hand side we get the present form, middle we get the past form, and at the end we get the past participle form. And we start with the letter C, like the word call, called, called, catch, caught, caught, cut, cut, cut. There is no change in present, past and the past participle form. You should note this one. Do, did, done, eat, ate, eaten, fall, fell, fallen, fly, flew, flown, give, gave, given, go, went, gone, grow, grew, grown. In the next slide, we start with the alphabet H, and the word is hit, hit, hit. No change in past and past participle form. Means the word remains same. Hold, held, held. Heart, heart, heart. The word remains same. Keep, kept, kept. Know, knew, known. Lay, led, led. Lead, led, led. The spellings are different, but the pronunciation is same for both the word led. Lie means to rest, lay, len. Lie means to speak falsely, lied, lied. Melt, melted, molten. In the next slide, we start with the alphabet R. Read, read, read. The spellings are same, but the pronunciation is different. Ride, rode, ridden. Run, ran, run. See, saw, seen. Sell, sold, sold. Check, shook, shaken. Speak, spoke, spoken. Steal, stole, stolen. Swim, swam, swum. Ditch, dot, dot. And in the next slide, we again begin with the alphabet T, and the word is take, took, taken. Tear, tore, torn. Tell, told, told. Think, thought, thought. Throw, threw, thrown. Wear, wore, worn. Whip, wept, wept. Win, won, won. Write, wrote, written. And the last one is wet, wet, wet. There is no change in the past and in the past participle form.